Join me as I take on the challenge of planning the ultimate road trip with my furry friend, making sure every stop is Paw-sitively perfect. In this video, we'll guide you through planning the perfect road trip that includes your beloved pet, ensuring both you and your furry companion have an unforgettable experience. Many pet owners struggle with how to travel safely and comfortably with their pets, often leaving them behind or missing out on fun experiences. One of the main reasons is the lack of knowledge on how to prepare and what to expect during the trip. This can be overwhelming, especially for first-time pet parents. It's heartbreaking to see our furry friends left behind, missing out on the excitement and bonding moments that come with exploring new places. Pet owners who do take their pets with them often face difficulties in finding pet-friendly accommodations and activities. Many more face the challenge of keeping their pets comfortable and happy during long car rides. Pet owners may also worry about their pet's anxiety or stress during travel, which can be a major concern. Some pets may experience car sickness or get anxious in new environments, making it difficult for their owners to relax and enjoy the trip. These concerns can be daunting, but with the right planning and preparation, you can ensure a fun and stress-free road trip with your pet. By understanding these common challenges, we can start to address them and find solutions that cater to both you and your pet's needs. We'll explore some essential tips and tricks to make your road trip a huge success. We'll cover essential tips such as choosing pet-friendly accommodations, packing the right supplies, and planning stops that cater to your pet's needs. Pet-friendly hotels and vacation rentals are becoming increasingly popular, offering amenities tailored to our furry friends. When packing, it's crucial to include your pet's favorite toys, treats, and medication, along with a portable bed and familiar blankets to provide comfort in new environments. When planning your route, consider pet-friendly attractions, parks, and beaches, which can be a great way to break up long drives and give your pet some exercise and socialization. You can also plan your stops around your pet's feeding schedule, ensuring they get regular meals and potty breaks. By planning ahead, you can avoid stressful situations and ensure a smooth journey. Having a checklist of pet supplies can also help reduce anxiety and ensure you're prepared for any situation. This can include a pet first aid kit, poop bags, and a portable water bowl. By being prepared, you can focus on enjoying the journey with your pet, rather than worrying about what could go wrong. The highlight of your trip is when you and your pet reach a beautiful destination, showcasing how well you planned and the joy it brings to both of you. Imagine walking on a stunning beach with your furry friend by your side, feeling the ocean breeze and watching the sunset together. Or picture yourself hiking through a gorgeous national park with your pet exploring new trails and sniffing out new smells. These are the moments that make all the planning and preparation worth it. The joy, the bonding, and the unforgettable memories you create with your pet. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time pet parent, this ultimate road trip guide will ensure you're both comfortable, happy, and ready for an adventure of a lifetime. The highlight of your trip is that special moment when you realize that all the hard work and planning paid off, and you get to experience the thrill of exploring new places with your best friend by your side. It's a feeling like no other, and one that will leave you both positively grinning from ear to ear. To recap, we've discussed the importance of preparation, pet-friendly locations, and the joy of sharing new experiences with your furry friend on the road. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite road trip destination with your pet in the comments below.